Hi friends, we are at Mississauga Test Center today and we are going to go to G2 test route today. So friends, let's go for G2 test route in Mississauga. If the car will be parked here, you are going to take a left to go outside on the route, and make sure you keep on the right side of the road. But there will be cars coming from the other side. Always keep the rightmost side of the road here. Stop sign, make sure stop it completely at the stop sign. Stop completely. And then we will take left on the right stripe. Stop sign. Stop it completely here. Take the left from the stop sign and go to the first lane. Make sure go to the first lane and then change it to right. And then the examiner will tell you to take a left from the next traffic light and then go back again to the left lane here. From the first traffic light, Dairy Road will take a left. On Dairy Road, speed limit is 70 and there's like 3 lanes. You have to go when you take a left here, you have to go to the first lane, then change into right and then change third lane to right. Do all the lane changing step by step. Don't put one indicator and change 3 lanes in a one go. You have to, even for 1 second, turn off your indicator and then put it on. Okay, we will take a left on Dairy Road. You have to make sure you go to the first lane, yeah, and then speed up. Speed limit is 70 km. Then change it to right and turn off the indicator again, and again change it to right. Don't put one indicator and change 3 lanes. After that, they will take you right on St. Parker Boulevard. We are not going to go into the street, but in streets they are going to ask you that frequent turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. But we are not going to go to the small street because I don't want to disturb the people in the neighborhood there. And St. Parker Boulevard, they will take you right inside, but we are not going to go inside there. Left on Dairy Road, back to the Dairy Road, again same thing. Take a left to the first lane here, change it to right, turn off the indicator once again, and again turn off the indicator and go to the rightmost lane. Right from the Marriott Drive. Mark the cyclist. stop completely at the stop sign. And then back to the test center. Back to the test center and you pass your test. Hi friends, so hopefully this video is going to help you to pass your G2 or G test, and if you have any question you can call me at 416-275-3965. I am certified driving instructor.